Hello there! Welcome back to Techniforce channel, the School of Digital Marketing. Did you know that you can schedule Facebook Reels with Meta Creator Studio in 3 simple steps? Want to learn how? Well then keep on watching, for in this video, we'll show you how to schedule Facebook Reels for publishing later. And before we get started, please go ahead and like and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. Meta is introducing a new way to schedule Facebook Reels with a new feature integrated into Meta Creator Studio. Accessible to anyone with a Facebook page, Creator Studio makes it possible to schedule Reels in 3 simple steps. And this is the easiest option yet for scheduling Reels content in advance. It's not quite as convenient as scheduling Reels in the Facebook mobile app, as it does require a desktop browser, but it should serve most creators' needs. So here's how to schedule Reels on Facebook using Creator Studio. Step 1. Upload a video. The first step to scheduling Facebook Reels is to log in to the Creator Studio. If you haven't used Creator Studio, you can log in with the same credentials as your Facebook page. There are no additional sign-up steps required. Next, click Create Reel, which prompts you to upload a video. The button's label is deceptive because you're not creating the content inside Creator Studio. You need to make the video ahead of time and put it on your desktop computer. From here, add your caption. Ideally, you should upload a vertical video up to 60 seconds. However, you can select any video size and optimize it in the next step. Step 2. Optimize video. After uploading the video, you can optimize it for Facebook Reels in Creator Studio. If your video is already in a vertical aspect ratio and 60 seconds or less in duration, you can skip this step. You can reframe horizontal videos to either vertical or square. Creator Studio will display a preview on the side of the screen, so you can see how the video looks in its new shape. When you're satisfied with how the video looks in Reels format, you can continue to the next step. Step 3. Schedule video as Facebook Reel. You also have the option to publish it immediately. Alternatively, if you change your mind about publishing, you can save the reel as a draft during this step. Lastly, schedule it to post. You can track all the performance of all published Reels within Creator Studio. And there you have it, how to schedule Facebook Reels for publishing later. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
say goodbye to traffic woes and start driving quality traffic today. Make any business profitable with lower ad costs, higher conversions from Facebook ads. Get leads, buyers, make sales, and outperform every competitor in any niche by using Adplify by Techniforce. It's a cloud-based SaaS, newbie-friendly, and 7-in-1 toolset. It's the ultimate traffic suite with Page Watcher, Hidden Audience Finder, Behavioral Targeter, Page Targeter, Email List to Audience, Ad Decorator, and Return of Investment Calculator. So, go ahead and try it out. Just go to getadplify.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.